What's going on, guys? I got Outdoors, and it's so the video you guys are about to watch is a day that me and Jacob and Tyler and one of my friends Ethan, we went out fishing to a conservation area. But before we got there, we stopped to a pond we knew about on the side of the road. So you're about to see that video here on the pond we stopped before we went to a conservation area, because at the conservation area we didn't really catch that much fish until we caught about 10 or so each at this one pond, but they were all super small and I didn't have any more batteries. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment what you want to see in the future. And it's been Zach Hobbs Outdoors, guys. Peace. Alright, what's going on, guys? Zach Hobbs Outdoors here, and out the pond with a couple of my friends, and we got here really early, so hopefully the topwater bite should be pretty good. Try it.
5 minutes later.
Oh, Tyler's got a good one. Tyler's got a good one. They say he's got like a 6. He said get the scale. He said get the scale. Is this truck or car unlocked? Alright. You know where the scale's at in his car? Where's the scale? Oh, he's got a tank. Where's it at? In the crate? Was it a topwater?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good 5-pounder, easy.
Yeah.
5-pounder.
Oh.
Got yourself a PB 5-pounder, eh? It's either right at 5 or just under.
Where the fuck is it?
It's long. If that thing was chunky,
I know, dude. Look at your scale.
yeah. If that thing was chunky, it would be 6 easy.
Yeah.
That's a good one. On a buzzbait?
Buzz frog.
Oh, that would have been fucking sick to
You
see.
should have seen the. We fucking birched it, dog.
The way you said you like
Get it in, birch.
no, I was like
It says
no.
3.9.
No, that's not fucking 3.
You have a scale?
It's
out?
close to 5. No. I don't know where my scale's at.
Fuck, I have one in here somewhere. Fucking.
What the hell is that? Oh, that's weed. Sick.
It's weed?
Something.
Where?
Wherever someone rolled these.
Where the Hobbs, do you have a scale?
I don't.
Motherfucker.
Ethan?
That one's, it's close to 5.
No sir.
Fuck.
I do not have a scale. But wait, I got like a non-electric.
Yeah, that'll work.
I think so.
It's either right at
I'm
5
not
or just
100%
under.
sure I
Got it,
still
cheers
have
by
it.
Jacob had. Fuck, told him to throw that. I did, I rigged it for him though.
Did you?
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, at least a fucking 4.
This
It's
is
not
the
3.
one.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
It's 4 or something. Maybe 4.5. It's skinny.
It's like 5.5.
No, 5, 5 and a half. Yeah,
5
5 and a half.
Is it?
Yeah,
Atta boy.
5 and a
Tyler.
half. Wish I threw my buzz bait in there, fucker.
Black and red buzz frog.
Yeah.
Perfect for the water conditions. That's a good fish.
Better get some damn pictures, alright?
Want me to take a picture of my phone? Atta boy. Broke the old PB. The first 10 minutes.
Holy fuck.
Good fish, man.
I hope I get drowned.
Boom.
Sick. Atta boy. Broke the PB in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
That's
Five
a good
and a
one.
quarter, you say?
Yep.
Alright guys, so it started raining, so I had to turn my camera off, but I just caught this good chunky 2.5 pounder, so get some pictures, and yeah guys, whenever it stops raining, I'll put the GoPro back on. Alright guys, so the rain let up a little bit. I mean, it's still sprinkling a little bit, but I can deal with this. This isn't that bad for recording. A lot of weeds we gotta walk through. My legs are absolutely destroyed. Pretty much what I'm doing, I'm just flipping the outside of this weed line here. I think these fish should be up shallow with the rain and the incoming water off the banks here. Oh, there's a fish near there. Just spooked them off.
That's a fish.
Oh, got one on spinnerbait. Holy, choked it. Little guy on the spinnerbait. Nice little 1 pounder. Hit it hard. It's the first spinnerbait fish. Another little guy. I'm just swimming this thing, getting bit. Nobody's ever catching them on horny toads, so I figured I'd try swimming it. It's just like next to this grass. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as you can see, I caught 4 that day, and Sam and Jacob, Ethan, and I caught some more. Yeah, this pond was alright. I like there's some good fish in it, and there's also the numbers in it, so try and go back here soon. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, and it's been Zach Hobbs Outdoors, guys. Peace.